Now, I will demonstrate the heart-piercing saber. Explaining the sequence, starting from the supporting saber. Execute a wiping cut, striking forward with the back of the blade. As you strike and turn, use the power of your upper arm and elbow. Pivot at the waist to perform the wiping cut. Then arc the blade from top to bottom while swinging the step. As you swing, bring the right foot in, thrusting the blade forward with force. Thrust forward, blade edge up, holding the saber with both hands. Right hand prepares to receive the blade.